Hello everyone, welcome back to PP Interview Tutorials, and today we will be looking towards and important concept that is known as ChatGPT. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Don't miss to click on bell button as well, and also guys, check out our playlist. You will find 141 plus videos which are related to Excel, Six Sigma certification, quality analyst trainers, KPIs for the employees, then trainers and operation team leaders. So many more videos are there, so please check out and learn all the things and you can crack the interview easily. So today we will learn about ChatGPT. So what is this ChatGPT? The full form of ChatGPT is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So basically this is an artificial intelligence tool wherein if we give any inputs, they will give us the answer. For an example, I have mentioned here capital of Rajasthan. If I'm using ChatGPT tool, like equal to GPT is the function, and choosing the column which wherein I'm asking the question, it will give me the answers. There are many more functions, like you can see here, translating the English to the Hindi or another other language. How this can be done with the help of ChatGPT, we will learn this. So before moving to the functions and formula, we need to install the extension for it, and after installing the extension, yes, you can easily use these formulas. Otherwise this formula will not work. And one more thing, I'm using Google Sheet wherein I'm downloading the extensions and all. So please everyone, please use the Google Sheet so that it will be easy for you to use the ChatGPT functions in your MS Excel. So let's start in downloading the extension. On the top of the page you can see there is a tab of extension. If you go there, there will be an option add-on. If I go to add-on, it will ask me get add-on. Okay, so now I'm checking like what add-on I can add. It will take some time, might be because of network issue. Now just type here ChatGPT. So you will find multiple add-ons guys. So I'm using one of it so that I can guide you on it, and you can use another as well. So there are many things you can use. So there are many extensions you can see here, out of which I have downloaded this ChatGPT for Google Sheet and Doc. I installed it. Once you click on installation, it definitely asks you one option that allow. If you do allow with your personal mail ID, whatever you are using, so it will get installed. Once you get installed it, what you will do is, if you go to extension, the extension get added here. Now you need to click on open. If you click on open, and you can also do one more thing, yes, you need to click on open, and you also need to click on one more option, that is enable ChatGPT function. If you do this, automatically this function will get enabled. Now everything is done. I hope you guys understood. If needed, I will add the link also in the chat box to install the ChatGPT. Okay, so the functions are enabled on the spreadsheet. They are we got the message here. You can see in the corner, you can see this. Now let me continue. So you can see on the top of the page there are multiple functions which are already added here. There are multiple. We will see one by one function in all the upcoming videos, how we can use it, and how this can be utilized in the existing data sheets and all. Also there is an option, you can even create your own formula. You can also generate the own formula. So we will learn this as well, how we can do this, and everything will be guided in our videos guys. So this will be added, like suppose if you're using any VLOOKup or anything, you want to create your own formula, you can do it here. So this is all about installing the extension for the ChatGPT. Now we will learn the first function, that is, you can see here there is a first function, that is GPT. So what you need to do is, you just need to write capital of Rajasthan, or else you just mentioned here capital of India. Suppose I have added this, and here I'm using the function equal to GPT bracket open. I have chosen this particular D3 as in my cell name. If you see here, I got the answer. The capital of India is New Delhi. So basically the AI is working here, who is giving us all the answers. So in this way we will see the rest of formula in the upcoming videos. So meantime guys, please do install the extension, and let's wait for the another video so that we can learn all the functions in deep. If you still have any query or anything you want to know, please share the comments in the feedback section, and also don't miss to like and subscribe the channel and like the video if you find like the information is valuable. And don't miss to check out Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn page, wherein you will be getting the job related information. Thanks a lot guys, have a great day.